Now, if you're finding it difficult to find your Facebook page ID, given that Facebook recently updated their app and has changed where you can find your Facebook page ID. In this video, I'll be showing you where you can find your Facebook page ID, both on Facebook and Business Suite. Now, what you want to do if you're using the Facebook app is simply open Facebook. This is working method. And the next thing you need to do is go to your page profile. So if you're on your Facebook profile, you can just switch to your Facebook page. And once you're there, simply just tap on your profile in this section and it will bring you here. You can also tap here and then tap on the name of your profile. It will bring you here. For you to see your Facebook page ID, you need to find page transparency, which initially you have to tap on 3 dots in this section, tap on page setup, and it's not here any longer. Even if you scroll to the bottom, if you tap on link, nothing here works. But the new changes you find is in this section where it says page under your profile picture, where it shows you your page category. So simply tap in this section and you see page transparency. Here you see your page ID. Now for someone who uses the Facebook Business Suite, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal line in this section, and then you want to tap on settings here. Under settings here, you want to tap on business assets and then tap on the page. You'll see your page ID in this section as well. If you do find this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on. Also, let me know in the comment section if this works for you.